Paano mo masasabi na tunay kang sumasamba sa Diyos? Kapag ba ikaw ay matulungin sa ibang tao na nahihirapan? Kapag ba ikaw ay madasalin? Yan ba ay tanda na tunay ka sumasamba sa Diyos? But the real sign that you are truly worshiping God is this, that you are surrendering all of yourself to God. How do you know that you're worshiping God? When you have let go of everything to God. When you learn to surrender, when you learn to let go, it is the beginning of your receiving of a new grace. You cannot receive something new if you keep on holding on to something old. Do you have anger still in your heart? Do you have your worries, your anxieties of the future? Do you have hurts and pains, traumas? Do you have the sadness, depression? Remember, sometimes letting go is more helpful than holding on. Allow God to take charge of your life. All you have to do is just surrender to Him. Remember, true worship is surrendering to God.